Alright, listen up. You are not going to want to miss this video. This is going to be jam-packed with vital information that you need to know about Bitcoin's immediate price action that we are about to experience here. Stick around. I'm going to make this video as short as I possibly can. Also going to go over BNB because my boy Ashty Mac, new sub, said he wanted to see BNB in the last video. Leave a comment down below on what you want me to chart next. Stock, crypto, I don't care. And if I like your comment, I will chart it in the next video. Join the Discord. It is free. Linked in the description below. I will see you all in there. If you were in the Discord, you would see that I posted back when we were at the lows here at this trade setup and we were going to impulse up out of here. I charted this on the 11th, which was 2 days ago. 2 days ago, I had this chart. And nothing has changed. I'm expecting an impulse here to come and take the highs again. Now, before we get into detail, I'm going to zoom out. And if you don't know Elliot Wave Theory, stick with me, guys. You will learn something today. And if you don't learn something today, keep watching these videos. Join the Discord. There's also a link to a crash course on YouTube here. It's 20 minutes long that I threw up, a video that I threw up to get you up to speed on what Elliot Wave Theory is. There's also a legitimate course within the Discord. Alright, enough of that. So, in the Discord, I have my long-term analysis for what Bitcoin is going to be doing here. We are right here. And we are finishing up an A wave of a giant WXY correction. Once this finishes, I'm projecting a correction. And then another hit to the highs here. And then we're going to dump hard as hell. This is just an outlook. I just wanted you to look at this to kind of understand where I'm coming from a long-term perspective as I'm charting this. But this A wave, it needs to be an impulse. So here I have drawn, I will get rid of all this, an impulsive wave structure where the 1, 2 is down here. And then I have in the middle the wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's wave 3. And now I have 1, 2. We're looking to finish up 3. I want to come down for 4 and then up for 5. Okay, let me get rid of that. Now, as I'm zooming in here, all of this I want to be a nice wave 4 structure to finish up our start of our A wave, and then I want to correct down like this, come down, test this liquidity, test this breakout zone here, and then we can go up for some more. Come up, break this high. Okay, as I zoom in here, let's get a little closer to our wave 4 structure that we're experiencing. I have a flat. Now stick with me, guys. As you measure this out, comes down to the 2, which is a fine turnaround zone. And I'm calling this a flat because it came up to the 0.9, and as we know, a double correction, a correction there, a correction here, that hits the 0.9 will have a 5-wave impulse to the downside, which we got. Now we have our 1, 2. I'm looking to finish up 3, 4, and then 5. In the Discord, I showed that there was a break of the 4-hour RSI structure, as well as the 1 hour. And that's usually a very good buy signal. Right here, right here. And I said that we have a great possibility to come up and test these highs again, and it looks like we're gonna get it. Nothing is for sure though. Now, when we come and take these highs, and I want to see a nice 4 wave here and then into 5, maybe this will be the weekend, and then we'll come up on Monday, Tuesday, take the highs out, then we can come down and correct like so. And what I'm looking for with this correction, I'm going to draw a trend line here. on our 5th wave. All right. And I want to see this trend line break. I do not want to see this area get tapped, but I want to see a nice liquidity sweep right here at this trend line. And then I want to see it come up for 5 more waves, take the high out one more time, and that will be my finished wave. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what looks good to me right now. That's what I'm projecting out. Let's see if it plays. Either way, in the short term, I'm waiting for this high to break. I will look to flip short once that does occur. Okay, there's other options and there's other wave structures that can happen. This can take a longer route and just WXY out and not break the high. Something like that. And then come up. But right now, the way the indicators look, the way momentum is looking, it looks like it wants to come up, maybe create a little bit of divergence. Clip right here. Create some divergence. Come down with a nice correction, maybe not that big, and then come back up for some more. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say about Bitcoin right now. BNB, what we're looking at here in BNB, and also in the Discord, in the premium Discord, I have access to these charts. I update them as frequently as I see fit. As the waves change or as things finish up, I will update them. I will do it daily if I need to. But you have 24/7 access to these charts. And here's BNB on the 4-hour. I have an ABC finishing up, and then I'm going to come down for another ABC. It's what I have projected, and I'll zoom in on this and show you kind of how that plays out. Here I have a flat correction. Something like this right here. I have a leading diagonal in 5 waves right there. I have an ABC correction right here. And now we're going up for our impulse of the bigger ABC. This is just what I'm playing, and then I'm looking for another ABC down. Come and take all this liquidity out right here. Massive liquidity zone right here. You have these lows, you have these lows, huge zone. We can come down to this high volume area right here. And that's just what I'm projecting. Let's get rid of this. And then we can come up for some more when Bitcoin comes up for some more. Do note, this also has the capability of being a finished flat, and we are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and straight impulsing out of this sucker. For me, this is just way too large of a move with what I have projected for Bitcoin right now. It's a 15% move. Could it happen? It definitely can. Is it likely? Definitely not as likely as the WXY scenario in my opinion. I want to see this local high get broken right here. And I want to see it turn around and come down. That's what I'm seeing for BNB, guys. Leave a comment below what chart you want to see next. I appreciate you guys all watching this video. I try to make it as quick as I possibly can. I will see you in the next one. I'll see you in the Discord. Thanks for watching, everyone. I love you. Bye.